Hello and welcome to KIBS Quick Tips. Today I'm going to show you how to do audio buttons on Seesaw. On the drawing page that you can use from a student or your own work, select the microphone. Then choose Start Recording. This is how you do a short recording on Seesaw. You then can just shrink it down using your finger into a small speech box. You will then have a small audio button that you can move around your page. You can add lots of audio recordings to any page to give feedback to your students on their work or to give instructions. Don't forget to check out these great educators on Twitter for more tips and tricks on using the iPad.